Hi guys, welcome back to another part of Android tutorial. Today we are going to learn about another important topic in Android called the saving of static data for an Android application. In the previous part of this tutorial, we already see how to save data using shared preference and saving data into a file. You see that both that option, that means using shared preference and using files, we have to insert data at the time of running that Android application. That means we save the data dynamically in all that two options. But in some situation you need to assign data at the designing phase of your Android application. So that means you have to save data during design time of your Android application. That means you have to save data statically for your Android apps. Now in this project I am going to explain how to save data statically in an Android application. So here I already create a new project called static data. So in order to save data for your Android application, you have to create an additional folder for your Android project. So go to the resource folder and right click that resource folder, choose the new option and select a new folder option here. Okay, now here is the parent folder is a resource, so you have to name it that folder. You have to name it as raw and click finish. Now you can see that under the resource folder a new folder is created called raw folder. Now I have to create some text document that is used to save data statically for your Android application. So I just go to my desktop. Here I am going to create a new text document, so I use the notepad for saving that text document. Hi, this is help topic. I just save some sentence on the notepad. Hi, this is the help topic. Now I have to save it. I save it on my desktop with the file name myfile.txt. I save it as myfile.txt and choose the alt file type and save it. Now you can see that in my desktop a new file is created called myfile.txt. I just copy that document and again go to Eclipse IDE. Now go to the raw folder that we recently generated and right click and paste. Okay, now expand that raw folder. You can see that the text document is also available on the raw folder with the name myfile.txt. Now we have to just go to the graphical layout. There is a text document, only a text view is present here. I just delete that text view. I just add a new button here. Go to the XML file. Here the ID of the button is button 1 and Lord help. I just rename the button as Lord help. Now go to the src folder, open the package and open the main activity.java file. First I have to create an object of the button. I give it as bn. You need to import button here. Now I connect this object to the ID on the XML file using the find view by ID method. r.id. The ID is button 1. I have to cast it into button. Okay, now I am going to create an action listener for the button. Set on click listener new on click listener. I need to import some packages here. Okay, here is the on click method for that button. So whenever user click the button, the help topic in the text document is displayed. So in order to do that, first of all you have to create an input stream object. Input stream, I give it as IM is equal to use a method called get resources dot open raw resources r dot raw dot the text file. The text file is my file. Okay, I just get an object of input stream class using that method get resources dot open raw resources using the id r dot raw dot my file. Here the my file is the name of the text file in the raw folder. Now I have to create an object of the buffer reader class. Buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader in that new input stream reader I pass the object of the input stream here, it is IM. Okay, now I got an object of buffer reader also. Now I just create a string here, string data is equal to I initialize it with using null. Now I create a while loop here, while data is equal to br dot read line. So in order to read each line from the test document, I use this while loop is not equal to null. This condition is for reaching the end of the file. You need to insert it in a try catch block. Okay. Now I just display that display the content of the string using a toast make test, get the base context. Here the resource is data toast dot, I give it as long dot make the toast visible using show method. Okay, that's it. Now we done all the coding for saving or loading data statically for your Android application. Okay, now this is the time to run the project. So I just right click the project and run as Android application. Wait a little bit time for the project to load. Okay, you can see that the project is loaded on the Android emulator. Here is the button load help. I just click the button. You can see that this is the help topic. Actually this is the that text is saved on the text file which is available on the raw folder of your Android application. Guys, this is how we save a data statically in an Android application. You can get the complete source code of this of this topic from my blog. My blog URL is given under the description of this video. Please go for it. If you please subscribe my channel for getting more video from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.